Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the top 5 best washing machines of 2025. Whether you have a large household or a small apartment, these machines offer a range of features, capacities, and value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Number 1. Auertech Portable Washing Machine 40 pounds Twin Tub. This model from Auertech features a twin tub design, one 24-pound washing tub and a 16-pound spinner tub. It's semi-automatic, compact, and designed for dorms, apartments, or RV use. It includes a drain pump and is marketed as a 40 pounds total capacity unit. If you're short on space but still want decent capacity, this machine makes sense. The twin tub design lets you wash and spin separately, which can speed up your laundry turnaround time. The semi-automatic setup means you'll have a bit more hands-on work compared with full automatic machines, but the benefit is often lower cost and simpler mechanics. Pros: decent total capacity for its size. Twin tub allows washing plus spinning in parallel. Compact and space efficient. Great option for apartments, RVs, or smaller homes. For anyone with limited space or on a budget, this Auertech machine offers strong value. It's ideal when you don't need all the smart bells and whistles, but want practical capacity and functionality. Number 2. Kenmore 4.5 cubic foot top-load washer with triple action impeller. This Kenmore top-load washer offers a 4.5 cubic foot drum using a triple action impeller design to handle tough dirt and stains. It includes features like Excella and Express Wash to reduce laundry time. Top-load machines like this are often more familiar to users, and Kenmore's impeller design may be gentler on clothes and more efficient than traditional agitator models. The size is suitable for an average household. The Express Wash feature is a good bonus when you're short on time. Pros: familiar top-load format for many users. Impeller design rather than bulky agitator makes for more usable space. Good capacity for everyday family laundry. Time-saving features for quicker loads. A solid choice for households that prefer top-load convenience and decent capacity. If smart features and ultra-efficiency aren't your top priority, this Kenmore model delivers strong fundamentals. Number 3. Comfee Portable Washing Machine 0.9 cubic foot compact full automatic. This Comfee machine is a full automatic compact washer with 0.9 cubic foot capacity, LED display, 5 wash cycles, and built-in rollers for mobility. It's a space-saving model aimed at smaller homes or apartments. If you live in a small space, say a studio apartment, dorm, or rental, this model is attractive. Its compact size means less load capacity than full-scale machines, but in return you get full automation with minimal effort. The LED display and built-in rollers add convenience. Pros: compact footprint, ideal for tight spaces. Full automatic, set it and forget it. Built-in mobility, rollers. Easy-to-use controls with LED display. For individuals or couples living in compact spaces, this Comfee model hits the sweet spot of automation and convenience. You get full automatic wash power without taking up a lot of space. Number 4. Comfee Portable Washing Machine 0.9 cubic foot compact full automatic. This is essentially a variant or another listing of the same Comfee 0.9 cubic foot compact full automatic washer, again designed for space saving and convenience. Because the spec is very similar, the review is much the same as the previous model. The key difference may be in color or finish or specific deal or availability. Choose the listing that offers better value or features, for example, transport, warranty, or extra accessories. Pros: same as above, compact, full automatic, convenient, good value if priced competitively. If you missed out on the first Comfee model or want a variant, this offers the same compact convenience. Always check the exact spec and the deal to make sure you're getting the best version. Number 5. 32 pounds compact mini twin tub washing machine with drying rack and 10 hangers. This machine is another twin tub style compact washer, a 20 pounds washer tub and a 12 pound spinner tub. It comes with a drying rack and 10 hangers, which is a neat accessory bundle, ideal for dorms or apartments. Again, this model targets very space-conscious users or those who do moderate loads. The twin tub design helps separate wash and spin cycle, and the add-on drying rack and hangers is a nice value. It's more manual than full automatic, but the accessories and capacity make it an interesting niche option. Pros: good capacity for a compact twin tub, 32 pounds total. Includes accessories, drying rack, hangers, nice bonus. Great value for small space laundry setups. For students, apartment dwellers, or those with moderate laundry needs and limited space, this machine offers strong value and flexibility. If you have a large family or heavy loads, you may want a higher capacity full automatic machine. These 5 machines cover a range of needs from compact twin tub budget models to more conventional full-size automatic washers. If you have limited space and moderate loads, the compact or twin tub models, items 1, 3, 4, and 5, are strong picks. If you have a family, frequent large laundry loads, and prefer minimal manual effort, the Kenmore top load, item 2, fits well. When choosing, match capacity to your laundry volume, check space and installation requirements, and focus on features you'll use, not just the flashy extras. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more appliance reviews and tech guides.